What's going on, guys? My name is MJ, and today we're going to be unboxing the Invicta 29730. If you guys like these kind of videos about watches and such, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's hop onto it. Alright. I got this watch because my wife gave me a very gaudy looking necklace with a thick gold-plated chain with a cross for Christmas. It looks very unlike me. It's like very, how should I say this, rapper-ish. So I said, you know what, let's go with it. Let's just run with it. So I got me a nice gold watch to run with this gold chain necklace. First off the bat, we got a nice looking box by Invicta. We got 29730. Let's open it up. Let's see, nothing falls off. Alright, so box within a box. Nice. I'm gonna do this as efficiently as I can because nobody likes a long video on YouTube. We're gonna just toss that away for now. So let's present to you the Invicta 29730. Invicta really knows how to present things, I say. So right off the bat, we got very good cushioning here. With the box, we got an army of manuals, and we're just gonna run through the information differently from Amazon and the Invicta website itself. So what does this mean? 1837 yellow. Invicta yellow 1837 determines its nature from okay, there's information here we probably don't really care for. I'll read that later. We got water resistance. Maybe it's some sort of warranty or how it works. Let's read that later. And then the very necessary manual, limited warranty instruction information. So we're gonna have to read off that. A nice microfiber cloth and to the watch itself. So this is what they call a hydromax. I'll show you. Hydromax, sorry, hydromax. I'll show you where it says later. So stuff that in. Let's put the box out here. All this crap down here. Okay, so right off the bat, this is very, let's see if we can focus. Okay, very big, very gaudy. Okay, case size 52 millimeters. Case material stainless steel. Bezel material stainless steel. Tone is obviously gold inside and out. The dial. The dial is also gold. The crystal, the window, the glass is flame fusion crystal. Still don't know what that means. We're gonna find out a little later. And as you can see, it's very shiny. I like the simpleness and that little design there on the second hand. It's very, it just stands out. Oh, sorry, it's in backwards. Sorry. Anyway, so I like it how it's very thick. So I'll run through the numbers a little later, but water resistant 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters is fairly deep. Stainless steel, tone gold, and then the size of the band. Unlike regular standard, it's 22. This is 24. the band length is standard, is 210. So as I said earlier, Hydromax, it's indented right here, Hydromax, and inside it says Hydromax. Invicta. It says Invicta Reserve. And that skull is looking pretty fierce right there. I like it. I like it a lot. So as you can see here, this indentation or the deepness of from the glass to the face is so deep. It's about, maybe I would say, a good 1/4 inch, maybe 1/3 of an inch, and the case thickness is 23.6 millimeters. 23.6 millimeters. That's something to be said. Analog, obviously. Deployment clasp with safety, and movement. The movement is quartz. It says on the Amazon information, it says diving. The bezel function is diving. Calendar is the date, and movement quartz. According to the Invicta website, it's Swiss components. It's quartz, but I don't know which part of this are the Swiss. Maybe the guts are Swiss, who knows, but that's a good thing. So there you have it, a quick, the price. The MSRP on the website is $995, and from the Amazon website, it's currently running at $138.99 with free shipping, and 5 out of 5 stars. Mind you, there's only 4 ratings, so I'm maybe the 5th one that's gonna rate it with this video. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, just give it a like and then share it to someone, whoever is considering this watch. Alright guys, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next. Alright guys, I just figured that it would be nice to unwrap this watch. Currently the crown is not pushed in. I don't know if I'm supposed to push it in. I think I should, but I should read the instructions first. So there's the Sabaqua in symbol, I think, and this is the watch. And as I wanted to show you guys earlier, it's very deep. It's about 1/2 inch, 1/4 of an inch. From the glass to the face. Alright guys, hope you guys like this quick one, and I'll see you guys on the next.